Just plug it in the amp and enjoy it. Let it play for, 100 hours or so. Let everything break in. Get your brain accustomed to the acoustics of this new headphone. It's different than many other headphones. You'll find that it's very speaker-like in its sonic character. It sounds like you're listening with the band in a room, which is really awesome. It has one of the widest, hugest sound stages, but yet it's very accurate where placement is with instruments and images within the stage. So have fun with it.